Hi guys, it's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you how you can change your username on Twitter on either a PC or laptop. If you find this helpful, please drop a like and leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So you can use any browser to do this. I'm just going to be using Google Chrome. And what I'm going to do is come across to twitter.com, and you'll see I'm already logged into my Twitter account. The first thing I need to do is come and click onto the profile button on the menu on the left hand side, and you'll see at the moment there's two things that I can change. So you've got my main username, and then you've got the sort of Twitter @ name down here. If you want to change this name, your display name, what you need to do is click this blue box here which says edit profile, and just simply go ahead and change the name down here in the box. So for example, I can change it to DT and hit the save button up here, and you can see that's now changed. So I'm just going to change that back and hit save, and that's changed it back. Now, if you want to change the one down here, your @Twitter username, what you need to do is actually click onto More down here on the left-hand side in the menu, and then go ahead and click onto Settings and Privacy. And you'll see it's going to load up a new screen. And if you look on the right-hand side in this menu, you need to click this one here which says Account Information. So from here, it's going to ask you to enter your Twitter password just as a verification, and just hit the confirm button. And you'll see up here at the top, there's the @username. You just go ahead and click that. And you can change this to whichever you want. Bear in mind, it's chances are they've given you a random username because the one you wanted could have been already taken, but obviously you can have a look and you get suggestions as well, and you just go ahead and change this to what you want, hit save, and you'll see if I go back and click onto my profile, it has now changed the @username. So I hope you found that helpful. If it did help, drop a like and leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description below where you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.